dear friends. Today we are going to talk about the advanced steps of surgery, medical surgery, particularly cardiothoracic surgery. We are going to talk about the heart transplant. Okay, and let me just remind you that these are the studies which you cannot see or notice, or you have not studied anywhere, whether you're a student of IMS or whether you're a student from Harvard Medical College. Okay, so we are going to study very advanced levels of steps for heart transplant. So let's begin today's session. So the cardiothoracic surgeon he will first order a heart, a freshly prepared heart using the foam. And let me tell you, it's a heart which is a very giant heart, and it is bigger than even your purse itna bada hai bhai, ye pucho hi mat. And it has to be freshly painted with spray paint so that it looks like a heart. Now you need to order that heart, and that delivery guy he will carry the heart and he will come directly to your hospital. So you don't have to wait for the donor. Okay, so you can easily manufacture this kind of hearts with the latest and advanced technology, and you can carry easily with your hands. You don't need to take any specific precautions. At the same time, the cardiothoracic surgeon he prepares for the surgery and he removes the heart with the hands without any hesitation. Okay, so you don't need to advanced instruments or devices. At the same time, you can keep on talking and checking the delivery status with your delivery person. Okay, don't worry even if that delivery person come across any kind of accident. You don't have to worry. You have to just trust and believe in the process. Just follow the process. Don't worry whether your heart is getting kicked by legs, whether it is lying on any aseptic conditions on the floor. It will not matter. I guarantee you this heart is going to work absolutely fine. So you don't have to worry because this is a heart made with a very advanced technology and with the love, right? So you don't have to worry about the damage that is going to happen to this heart. So now carry this heart with your open hands. Again, as I mentioned, it's a very shock-proof heart, so that's why we are transplanting this heart to the patient because it can suffer or bear any kind of shock. It doesn't matter what kind of shock you are giving. I know you are going through shock, so you can also order this kind of heart for yourself and make yourself any shock-proof. Now you can just throw that heart. It is so strong that it can easily cross the windows of your building and it gets automatically connected. So it's a very advanced technology. It's a plug-and-play heart. You have to just throw it, and the surgeon has to just start sewing the heart with a very traditional or conventional thread. You don't need to have a specific condition. You can easily cut with your mouth. You don't need any scissors, right? So that's the power of this kind of advanced technology. Let's continue with the delivery boy person. Obviously, he has suffered some injury, so you don't have to worry. You can just throw him on a stretcher and declare him broad dead. Okay, so don't worry. We are going to revive this person again because we have very advanced technology, and that's why you can see the results here. The patient who has received the heart transplant just few seconds back, that patient can talk now and remove their oxygen mask, right? So you can see the power of this advanced technology built in the heart. So let's move ahead. What more we have to see? I guess the doctor is telling about the bad news. He has about the delivery person. Obviously, that patient seems to be in the shock, and you can see that we have not removed the foreign body from the delivery person's back because that is required. You will see it's using some time. Let's wait for the patient. What's going to happen now? And guys, if you are still with me, I really appreciate your patience and your interest for learning the heart transplant. The disclaimer is that you do not do it with your patients. You are watching this video at your own risk, and if you are still surviving till now and you are still watching this video, I ask you to get insurance, health insurance, life insurance for yourself because you will be requiring that insurance in some time right now. So see, this is a heart recipient patient. The patient is sitting very well, very normally. Patient is able to stand. Guys, this is the future of medicine. You are not talking some fantasy. This is the future of healthcare and the medicine. This is the advanced kind of technology. And believe me, today's AI technology and with the robots will not be able to deliver this kind of results. What we can see with this protocol, this is called as a Indian movie protocol. Let me know in the comment section what are you thinking or not. I could not stop myself recording this video. See, can you see this is the patient who has just received heart some time back, and this was the delivery guy who has delivered the heart to the patient, and this is infamous cardiothoracic surgeon. Now I think he's doing orthopedic surgery also. See, this is the kind of talent you need if you want to be a successful doctor. Oh my God, this is sad. The doctor was not able to revive this patient. तो चलो देखते हैं फिर आगे क्या स्टेप्स है. ठीक है, you can see that patient has not been able to survive. They are cremating this patient now. Oh भाई, अभी तो आग लगा दी. Very sad. I feel bad for this patient. ये बेचारा डिलीवरी गाय. Oh my God, ये क्या विलन की एंट्री. ये तो भैया जो हमको थोड़ी देर पहले दिखा था. No issues. अरे बेचारी, अरे सब छोड़ो भाई, उसको अभी कुछ मिनट पहले उसका हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट ऑपरेशन हुआ है. उसको तो छोड़ दो. शायद वो चिल्लाने को गया उसको. आवाज़ दो तुम्हारे पेट को. See, these are the sound waves. Very advanced sound waves. And ये पहुँचे उसके कानों में. अरे कानों में ब्लड वेसल. और ये हो गया उसका हार्ट शुरू. ये देखो, ना सीपीआर की जरूरत है, ना किसी और टेक्नोलॉजी या मेथड की जरूरत है. आवाज़ देने से ही पेशेंट खड़ा हो जाता है. ये पेटेंट टेक्नोलॉजी भाई साहब, सॉरी जो साउंड वेव्स है, ये देखो, दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑप्टिमम रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन. जो तलवार जो खंजर उसके ही पेट में लगा था, पीठ पे लगा था, वही अब इस्तेमाल कर रहा है इन गुंडों को खत्म कर दे. लो भाई साहब, ये बढ़िया है. आई थिंक मैनेजमेंट, दिस इज वेरी गुड मैनेजमेंट लेसन. ओह माय गॉड, इतने बड़े पत्थर को उसने इतने आसानी से फेंक दिया. ये तो पूरा क्रिकेट खेल रहा है भाई साहब. जा तुम भी जाके बैठ जा चिका पे भाई साहब. ये बंदे को 21 नहीं 210 तक की सलाह देनी चाहिए. गजब, सही है भाई, सही है. सो गाइस, आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ, आपने हो सकता है नोट लिए होंगे, तो आप सर्जरी के स्टेप्स मुझे समझाइए कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ. और ये गाइडलाइंस क्या आपके कॉलेज में फॉलो करते हैं या नहीं, मुझे बताइए. एंड दिस इज हैप्पी एंडिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स.